Here's the winter weather advisory, and it's those areas up along the Red River that I talked about, anywhere from Clarksville to Paris, west to Bonham, Sherman, Gainesville, and then on down to Bowie and Decatur and Mineral Wells, Eastland, Breckenridge, Graham. These are the locations that could see 1 to 3 inches of snow. Now, as we look at the clouds starting to increase, I want to walk you through the timing once again on this. 3 o'clock in the morning, some light rain moves in, and it's all rain. Tomorrow morning, to head out early in the morning, sunrise, maybe a little earlier, maybe a little bit later. It's going to be wet. It's all rain to start the day tomorrow. School's not going to be canceled tomorrow morning, okay? So the kids are probably already in bed, and when you get up tomorrow, it's just going to be rain. It's still rain at 10 o'clock. It's widespread. It's pretty intense rain. There's no severe weather in the forecast tomorrow. It's entirely cool, too cool for that. Highs tomorrow only going to be in the 40s. Widespread rain at noon. Freezing line at 3 p.m. is up around Gainesville and Bowie. That's where there's some snow. Everywhere else, it's rain. Could have a little bit of snow mixed in, could have a few pellets of sleet mixed in at 3 o'clock, certainly at noon too. And then that freezing line's trying to drop toward the Metroplex as the sun starts to set. There's that quick little burst. Rain and snow is across the Metroplex at 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Still kind of by us at 8, 9 o'clock, even 10 o'clock. It's moved off to the northeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Freezing line never makes it here. That's at midnight tomorrow night. And look at that. There's our freezing line at sunrise on Wednesday. The Metroplex, not freezing. Everywhere along that line and to the west, it will drop to freezing. There's the line. These are the temps. Close call for you in Denton and McKinney at 33. Decatur, you dropped to 32. Mineral Wells, 34. Dallas and Fort Worth, 35 and 34. So you see where the temperatures are. It's a close call for many locations. As far as the snow goes, these areas up to the north along the Red River, to the northwest, there's your 1 to 3. Lighter amounts more to the southeast. But again, accumulations are likely on grassy and elevated surfaces where we have the higher snowfall totals. Into the Metroplex, if we pick up any snow at all, it's going to be, no matter where you are, it's going to be a wet, sloppy snow as we head through the day tomorrow. The moisture content's really high. Temperatures aren't very cold. Again, a number of locations won't make it too freezing, let alone below freezing. The Metroplex is in that category. So if we pick up any at all in Dallas-Fort Worth, it would be a dusting or a covering, a coating on those areas that I've already talked about. Higher amounts to the north. Denton, maybe a ½ an inch, and I don't know. I mean, let's be honest. A dusting, a covering, or a ½ an inch, send me your pictures. It's all the same, but you see what I'm talking about. Maybe a little bit more in Denton, maybe a little bit more in Decatur, but those are the numbers and those are the totals. And the rainfall, this is the story for me. I mean, we're in the middle. The drought is coming back to North Texas. We could see around 1 inch of rain, so the rain tomorrow is going to be fantastic. Tonight, we only drop to 40. The rain showers develop overnight. It's a cold rain throughout the day tomorrow, transitioning, as I just walked you through the timing and the locations, transitioning over to that rain-snow mix with a quick little burst of possibility. The high tomorrow is 41. That happens early in the day. The temperatures are steady around 39, maybe 38 degrees. So by this time tomorrow night, we're probably going to be about 37, maybe 38 degrees tomorrow night. And then we drop to 35 degrees by sunrise on Wednesday. Wednesday's a mostly cloudy day with a high temp of 49. The sun is out Thursday and Friday in the 50s, and another low chance of a little bit of rain. No snow, sleet, or any of that this upcoming weekend.